Here in this video, we will see that why the breather is used in the transformer. So what is the reason behind it? Let's talk about it. Basically, a breather in a transformer refers to a device that helps to maintain the health of the transformer by controlling the moisture and contaminants in the air surrounding the transformer oil. And it's basically like a lung for the transformer, which allows it to breathe while keeping the bad stuff out. Basically, the transformers are filled with oil that insulates and cools the windings. So the breather allows the transformer to expand and contract with temperature changes while keeping the moisture air out. The breather typically contains a desiccant like silica gel that absorbs the moisture and contaminants from the air by preventing them from entering the transformer. This is the basic regarding the breather in the transformer. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.